So with me here, I have the MacBook Air M1 2020 version, and I know you clicked on this video so that you can find out how to record your screen on the MacBook and have sound at the same time without having to use an external app. So I will show you how to do it. Okay, so all you have to do is press Command Shift and 5. I'll say that again, Command Shift 5, and then you will have options like capture entire screen, capture selected window, capture selected portion, record entire screen, record selected portion, and then you have options. Now here is where you'll find the option to record your screen with sound. So you click on options, so you'll find all these here: quick timer, other location, and everything else. There's actually where you can set a timer for 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or whatever. But here you want to record with sound, so all you have to do is come here and click MacBook Air microphone, or you can choose to connect to your iPhone and record with your iPhone, like record your sound from an iPhone, or you can record directly from the MacBook Air microphone or your Mac microphone. But for me, I am recording with my phone right now, so yeah. And then after you click MacBook Air microphone, and then you can just click record. Yeah, you can just click record and you have something pop up here, and you know your screen has started recording, or rather you've started recording your screen with sound. And then after you're done with whatever you want to record, you can just come back here and click on that, and then you have your video pop up right here, and then you can play it here, and you know your screen has started recording, or rather you've started recording there your screen with sound. And then after you're done, that's how you record your screen on a MacBook with sound. I hope you liked this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video.